Hi, I can't tell you how much I am happy that I came across the Forex for Beginners Academy. I have really enjoyed my journey learning with them, and throughout my time learning with them, I have grasped a lot of concept as it relates to understanding market structure and identifying points of interest and when to actually enter the market. Throughout my training, there was stuff that I thought I understood, but upon going through the course, I realized that there were other minute details that I needed to have pay attention to. Even though I thought I had grasped the concept, but I realized that there were other ways of looking at the market, and like one particular thing that you may not be paying attention to that can actually affect your trade, and you should actually pay attention to it. So it has helped to clear up a lot of errors that I've been making in the past, and mistakes as well. And I've learned so much about using the moving average and the coordinates that it told us to put in for the moving average. Trust me, it is amazing. It does help to add confidence to your trade and point you in the direction that you need to go. All you need to do is identify that point of interest using the moving average, and then you can take your entry from there with other confirmations. As it relates to my mindset, I have become more patient and know for sure that even though you always have the feeling that, okay, I need to be in the trade, I feel like I'm left out. You're not being left out of anything. Just wait patiently, and the strategy that he teaches helps you to wait patiently. It removes the fear and the greed from you, so that you're able to just wait patiently for the market to show you what it's doing, and then for you to follow the story, what it's creating, and then take an entry on that trade. I've learned so much about using channels and trend lines, Fibonacci, even how to navigate on the TradingView while using the tree chart setup, so that I'm able to understand what the market is showing me on a bigger time frame versus a smaller time frame. Also, as it relates to the private student group, I realized that he did say that the more you post charts, the more you learn, and then you'll be able to identify your mistakes that you're not even seeing. When you post these charts and you say, hey, how does this look? And you get a feedback on it, you realize that there was something that is missing out, that the reason why you were taking this trade, you were also not paying attention to one thing which could have affected the result of your trade, whether it be negative or positive. And the response are always pronto. Like, I've posted a chart a couple of hours, and I got back a response. So that's good. That's good. And I feel like I'm ready to take on my Forex journey, take it on to a next level, and I feel like I'm gonna be awesome.